Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to share your Instagram stories with a custom audience. That means we will share a story with not with all of our friends and at the same time not with the close friends. I will show you how to create custom lists. And of course, to do that, you should be subscribed to Instagram Plus. So to do that, you have just to go to post story like any normal story. And in the bottom, as you can see, there is an option called create list. You click on it. And after that, you can check the friends that you want to put them in that list. And of course, people added to this list won't know they are on the list. After that, click next. And for example, I will call it friends. I will call this list friends. Of course, you can create unlimited lists. You can create lists for friends, for work, for family, for whatever thing you want. And I will click on create. The list is created, as you can see here. So to post just for them, I have to click on the name of the list. And voila, the story is posted just for friends. And as you can see in the top of the screen, it shows me like the word friends. That's it. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.